Hey everyone, today's the day I started my truck camper build it's my version 2. I just need to pull everything out, take some measurements for my floor, and then I will see you in a bit. There you go. Now I can't get electrocuted. What? Still can, but you know. Well, I'm working on it. I'm pretty close to done. I got the electrical uninstalled. Looks like I'm gonna have to use two pieces of plywood for the bottom, but yeah, that's what I've got done so far. I'm in the home stretch. All right, see you later. Alright guys, so I'm done for the day. I got the piece cut. I just need to go to Rona and pick up some wood, and then I'm good. So I'll see you the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back for day 2. I picked up all my plywood, and I just need to blow out this, get it all nice and clean before I start taking measurements for the piece of wood that's going to go right there and do it. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, I have it mostly blown out, so now I just need to get the floor done. I'll see you in a bit. Well, I got all my measurements. This is my wheel well measurements, and this is where my window's going to be for the topper. This is where all my battery stuff is going to go. All right, I need to do some cutting, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm kind of in a predicament. I'm not too sure what I want to do. I might have to cut half an inch off the top so I can get it to sit where I want it to sit and put a notch in the back. But we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Hey everyone, so this is the end of day 2. I pretty much got the floor laid out and I got my sides cut. All I have to do is do some wiring. I have to pick up my carpet, so I have to carpet before I do my wiring, and that's everything. So I'll see you next time. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please like and subscribe. That'd be awesome. Have a good one.